This Cuisinart Chef's Classic stainless steel 10-inch open skillet is the epitome of performance and elegance in the kitchen. Inspired by the finest kitchens of France, this skillet combines the quality of stainless steel with an aluminum-encapsulated base, ensuring even heating and eliminating dreaded hot spots. Let's dive into a detailed review of why this piece is perfect for both professional chefs and home cooks who value quality, versatility, and durability. Quick overview. The Cuisinart Chef's Classic stainless steel 10-inch open skillet is part of the Chef's Classic line, crafted with an aluminum core base that heats up rapidly and evenly distributes heat. This design reduces cooking time and guarantees your dishes cook uniformly, offering superior results every time. It's induction-ready, has a mirror finish for that professional look, and offers the practicality of dishwasher-safe cleaning. Why choose the Cuisinart 10-inch skillet? Whether you're searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or frying eggs, the skillet's top-notch features make it an excellent choice. Its versatility and durability allow it to stand out in a crowded cookware market. Below are some hooks to pique your interest and showcase why this skillet might just be the missing piece in your kitchen. 1. Classic design meets modern performance. The 10-inch skillet from Cuisinart is built with a mirror-finished stainless steel exterior, reminiscent of classic French cookware. This elegant design doesn't just look professional, it's also built to last. The polished mirror finish resists discoloration and maintains its sleek look, even after years of use. Plus, the encapsulated aluminum core distributes heat fast and efficiently, eliminating those frustrating hotspots. Precision cooking with aluminum encapsulation. The base of this skillet has an aluminum core encapsulated between layers of stainless steel, a feature that enables rapid heating and consistent temperature control. For anyone who values precision in their cooking, this skillet guarantees that your food cooks evenly throughout. Imagine cooking a steak that's perfectly seared on the outside and evenly cooked on the inside. This skillet brings that vision to life effortlessly. 3. Induction-ready and versatile. Not all cookware is induction-ready, but the Cuisinart Chef's Classic stainless steel skillet works seamlessly on any cooking surface, including induction, electric, and gas stoves. The adaptability makes it perfect for modern kitchens and culinary enthusiasts. This skillet meets the demands of every cooking surface with ease, adding flexibility to your meal preparations. 4. Drip-free pouring and measurement markings. Drip-free pouring might seem like a minor feature, but anyone who's tried to transfer sauce from pan to plate without making a mess knows the struggle. Cuisinart has included a precisely angled rim to ensure drip-free pouring, saving you from cleanup headaches. The skillet also has convenient measurement markings inside, helping you manage portions and control recipes with accuracy. What sets the Cuisinart skillet apart? With so many skillets on the market, you may wonder what makes this one special. The Cuisinart 10-inch open skillet has an edge due to the following features. Stainless steel cooking surface that won't discolor or react with foods. When it comes to maintaining flavor and presentation, the cooking surface plays a significant role. This skillet's stainless steel surface won't discolor, react with food, or alter flavors, ensuring your dishes are just as you intend them to be. Ideal for acidic dishes, you can whip up tomato-based sauces and citrus marinades without worry. Cool grip handles for safe handling. The riveted stainless steel handles stay cool to the touch, even on the stovetop, providing a secure grip while you cook. This cool grip feature not only ensures safety but also comfort, especially when handling the skillet for extended periods or using it to finish off a dish in the oven. Easy to clean. Dishwasher-safe. This skillet is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup hassle-free. For those busy weeknights when you want minimal cleanup after a meal, simply toss it in the dishwasher, and it'll be ready for your next culinary adventure. Who will benefit most from the Cuisinart 10-inch skillet? If you're a home chef who enjoys the art of cooking or someone who wants an upgrade from standard nonstick pans, this skillet is ideal. Its durability and high performance make it suitable for beginners looking to elevate their cooking experience with professional-grade cookware. Seasoned cooks who want a reliable, versatile skillet for various culinary techniques from searing to frying and sautéing. Busy individuals who need quick, efficient cooking solutions for weeknight meals. Final verdict. Is the Cuisinart Chef's Classic Skillet worth it? The Cuisinart Chef's Classic stainless steel 10-inch open skillet truly lives up to its reputation as a top-tier piece of cookware. Its combination of durable construction, timeless design, and advanced features makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The performance this skillet offers makes it well worth the investment, as it will serve you well for years, delivering perfect results with every dish. Ready to upgrade your kitchen with a skillet that promises professional results and effortless cooking? The Cuisinart 10-inch open skillet might just be your new best friend in the kitchen. Enjoy cooking with confidence, knowing you're using a tool trusted by professionals and home cooks alike. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.